Hey guys, how's it going? And right now we have with us the Nothing Phone 2. Let's check it out. So as soon as you get the box, the first thing you notice is this tearaway style that Nothing has. They've clearly made it their trademark. I'm not a big fan, but the inner box looks really nice and clean. It matches the outer surface, and as soon as you get in, first thing, we've obviously got a few booklets which are designed by Nothing and some safety information. Next thing we see is the cable. The cable is custom to Nothing, and it's something that Carl showed off just a little while ago. That's really nice. Then you've got this SIM tool, which has to be the coolest looking SIM tool I have seen, I think, in forever. And then last but not least, of course, we have the phone. On the outside of the phone, we have Earth First. Phone 2 has 53 parts made with sustainable materials, and its packaging is plastic free. So nice, I guess. And then we jump into the phone. Now, as soon as you get your hands on the phone, the first thing you notice is that now the back is a bit curved, so it's much more comfy to hold. This gray color is really nice. It doesn't have the intensity that the previous black did. As soon as we switch the phone on, we get a glimpse of Nothing OS, which while we've had the phone did update to Nothing OS 2, so that's really nice. Small little details are pretty cool, like for example, if you notice, the clock on here is the same as the SIM tool, so that's really nice to see. But we will be taking a deeper look at the phone. We'll be checking out the camera. If there's anything specific you want us to check out, please do let us know in the comments. And apart from that, don't forget to like and subscribe. There'll be a lot more from the Nothing 2, so thank you very much for watching.